exiting the aircraft, place your arm through those straps underneath and hook it to your chest. We are also equipped with infant life vests on here. In the event of a water emergency landing, as your flight attendant, we will hand the infant life vest to any adult who has an infant on their lap and provide further instruction. And my best friend Michelle up there has 6 fingers up, so it's 6 emergency exits on board this jet. It includes the main cabin door through which you enter, the door directly across from it. We also have 4 additional exits located over the wings, mid cabin, 2 on each side. Exit signs located overhead identify these window emergency exits. Our aircraft is also equipped with emergency escape path lighting. In the event of any evacuation, the lights does illuminate green. Get out of your seat, follow our floor lights to its closest exit. Keep in mind you can have an exit located behind you. And lastly, of course, federal aviation regulation will require that you continue to observe the no smoking, fasten seatbelt sign at all times when illuminated from Captain Hogan. All passengers must comply with lighted signs, posted placards, and instructions given by your crew. Regulations prohibiting tampering with, disabling, or destroying a smoke detector and both of the aircraft lavatories on this regional 900 jet. And may we remind you, smoking is never allowed on any American flights. Well, those are the regulations. And as your flight attendants, we have to go down the aisle to enforce those rules. So we have to make sure you have your large public electronic device turned off and stowed, small, lightweight device switched to airplane mode and secure, tray table stowed, carry-on bag stowed. Make sure your seat backs are bright and seatbelts are fastened. On behalf of the ground crew here in Tulsa and your Dallas-based crew, Michelle Jojo, we want to invite you to relax, enjoy your very short flight. Then Michelle will turn off the main lights for safety reasons. If you need any additional reading lights, your reading light button is yellow, along with your air vents. And both of them are located inside your PSU unit, which is called Passenger Service Unit, above your head. Thank you for your business during this coronavirus and choosing to stick with American. And we really, really do appreciate you guys' business. And it's starting to pick up a little bit in the airport. But thank you for those who are sticking with America. We do appreciate that. Thank you guys.
Roger, after the flight deck, we'll be departing shortly. Flight 10 Swiss, we take up.
Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful as items may have shifted in flight. You may now use your cell phone. For those of you who gate check your bags, and luggage will be available for you plane side or brought to you on the loading bridge. However, for your safety, we ask that you do not walk behind the wing. The ground agents will bring your luggage to you. If you're connecting here in Dallas Fort Worth, we recommend you proceed directly to your connecting gate. Please check the airport monitors or go to AA.com from your phone. If this is your final destination, you may pick up your checked baggage at the baggage claim area. We will be exiting the aircraft by jet bridge. Please use care when exiting and hold the handrail. If you valet check the bag for you, please help us by practice social distancing by stepping to the right of the jet